30-question English spelling test for learners. How many can you answer without mistakes? How do you spell this word? Answer C. Category. Which spelling is correct? Answer D. Strategy. Pick the correct spelling. Answer B. Approve. Choose the right spelling. Answer D. Critical. What's the correct spelling? Answer B. Perspective. Can you spell it correctly? Answer C. Impact. Find the correct option. Answer A. Random. Which one is spelled right? Answer B. External. Select the correct form. Answer C. Dimension. Spot the correct spelling. Answer A. Conflict. How is this word spelled? Answer D. Airport. Which option is correct? Answer C. Science. How do you spell this word? Answer D. Engineer. Which spelling is correct? Answer B. Embarrass. Pick the correct spelling. Answer A. Particular. Choose the right spelling. Answer A. Wonder. What's the correct spelling? Answer D. Comment. Can you spell it correctly? Answer B. Escape. Find the correct option. Answer A. Massive. Which one is spelled right? Answer C. Integrate. Select the correct form. Answer D. Opportunity. Spot the correct spelling. Answer A. Resource. Which option is correct? Answer C. Wisdom. How is this word spelled? Answer B. Persuade. How do you spell this word? Answer C. Highlight. Choose the right spelling. Answer B. Deny. Can you spell it correctly? Answer D. Regulate. Find the correct option. Answer B. Effective. Select the correct form. Answer D. Chapter. Spot the correct spelling. Answer B. Throughout. Congratulations! You did a great job! Tell us your score in the comments. Like and subscribe for more quizzes.